I'm really finna try this shit one more time. Mark sitting over here, he's not paying the job. You know I'm rapping on this beat, I'm fine. Yeah, it ain't a problem. Yeah, it ain't a problem. You walk inside the...
Is my face like super dominant? It's pretty nice, bro. Yo.
This is a skinny guy.
All of this shit, because there's a window here, I thought it was like fading up, and it's like fake shit. Like coming off.
Yo, I just stepped on that thing.
Bro, check that shit out.
Buildings are like coming off.
Look at this shit.
Bro, this shit's not real.
Like,
Yo.
bro, and look how like, wait, hold on.
Bro, you getting like jolts of like. Again?
That's it. It was like this.
Oh, we got the camera
No.
out.
Well, Parker, come get hit.
Okay.
Oh god.
Pinky.
Oh.
Okay, let me redo that.
What?
No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure at all.
Oh.
Feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. Walk out with the
niggas knowing that I drop shit, get pop quick. For these niggas that you rock with, like Jay said, bitch, I gotta keep a chopstick. I stick. These niggas watch out when I pull up in that take Indy.
You're not from the A. You're not from Oakland, nigga. Or Las Vegas, nah. You're not from LA, nigga. You're not from LA, nigga. Yeah, you from the D. You from the D. You from the D. You from the D.
Like it's gonna cut off like right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she
And then
we can like
and then yeah, the legs probably like I feel like even like here.
yeah.
These things,
Yeah.
like, I'm having it there, but I feel like I like the
Yeah,
maybe having this
I
right up.
just-
A,
I
maybe like
having-
okay, maybe bring it up a little bit so it's like up to here
Okay.
and there. But I feel like it'd be sick to have it like sticking out and then have it like.
I'll just honestly leave it to right here.
Yo, software on top, fuck everyone else. We the best, like DJ Khaled. Like then you can make a better decision. Yeah. If you figured out if you can find that group of pals first. Yeah. And if you're living in Windsor, like maybe that's not possible. Yeah, maybe you do need to go to school.
Hello, Layla. What's going on? What?
What are we doing?
Doing great.
Oh shit, you got a camcorder? You got a camcorder!
Bro, this is the time to whip it out. What's going on, man?
Oh my god.
It's cold, bro. It's cold. Back it up a little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey! Take care, y'all. I'll catch y'all.